Make a great choice today with the 2017 Terrain. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: roof rails, traction control, stability control, power brakes, ambient lighting. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control, trip computer, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, multifunction display, child safety locks, power windows, tachometer, power steering. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. Come take a test drive today.